How to remove Grindr ban. Now all you have to do is just go to Play Store and just search for Play Store. What we have to do is just to install your favorite VPN. It depends on you. But mine is I have installed Turbo VPN, and you should install your own VPN, and it's your choice what VPN would you choose. So this is my VPN. So as you can see, just I have to agree and continue. Now once it loads, Oh, so I just have to X that, and I just have to tap to connect. So I just have to tap that and okay, and just to finding the fastest server or VPN. Once that's done, you should click this X button. Now, as you can see, you could search for any country you want, but it's better that it is away in your country. And for mine, I just chose the United States. So once that's done, you could go to Grindr ban. As you can see in here, you should go to Grindr ban. And after that, you should log into your account, and the ban message would be disappearing, and that's it.